Hello everyone, welcome you all to MS in online classes. This video is a substitution video of video number 6 in which I have uploaded the number 6 part of the number system. In that part we have studied about how to represent an irrational number on a number line. We have studied about how to represent root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7 and root 8 on the number line. The procedure I have followed in that classes might be difficult for some of you. That's why I am deciding to represent or to discuss another procedure so that it is quite easy for you to catch. So let's start our session today. So in the previous class we have studied about how to represent root 2. Okay, how to represent root 2 on number line. Okay, so in order to represent root 2 on a number line, first we have to draw a number line. So let's say this is the number line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Then, as we know from the Pythagoras theorem, if this is a right angle triangle, okay, let's say ABC. Okay, this is the base part. आगे कौन करेगा base? Suppose इटा अभी था ना 1 unit. This is the height part. इटा 1 unit. Then this is known as the hypotenuse. So how when we find the value of h? As we know, the formula of h is p square plus b square root over. It is derived from the formula number 1 of Pythagoras. Okay. So in the place of p, we can write this is p. Okay. This is b. In the place of p, you can write 1 square. In the place of b, you can write 1 square. Okay. Then 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is square root of 2. So what is the value of h? Square root of 2. So in the place of h, you can write root 2. So how we will get root 2? If the base is 1 unit, height is 1 unit, then the hypotenuse will be root 2 unit. That is used in this number line. How? See. Okay. The distance from 0 to 1 is fixed with the distance from 1 to 2. That means 0 to 1 distance jaha heitibo 1 to 2 distance seya heitibo 2 to 3 distance bhi seya heitibo. If it is 1 unit, then it is also 1 unit. Okay. Then it is also 1 unit. So the distance is always remain fixed. Then what we will do? We will do or we will make an arc at the point 1. At 8 point I am going to kariba, 4 point I am going to kariba. At 1 we will make a 90 degree. Okay? Tale jote kaun kariba 90 degree draw kariba. This is a 90 degree. Okay? Then what we will do? Then we will see the distance from 0 to 1 is fixed. Then what we will do? We will make a distance. Here we mark a point A such that the distance from 1 to A is equal to the distance from 1 to 0. तामाने कौन? The 0 to 1 distance जहाँ ही थी वो 1 में distance हमें exactly से यानी कि उधर cut mark कर दबा and let this point be A. Okay, understood? So then this will be 1 unit. So this will be also 1 unit. Why? Because the distance from 0 to 1 is equal to the distance from 1 to A. Done. Then let's join these 2 points. 0 and A. Okay. Then this will be a which type of triangle? This will be a right angle triangle like this. See, there is no difference between this triangle and this triangle. Why? Because this is the base part 1 unit. This is the base part 1 unit. This is the height part 1 unit. This is the height part 1 unit. So this is the hypotenuse part and this is also the hypotenuse part. If it is root 2, then what will be the value of this? Then this value is also root 2. So the distance from 0 to A is also root 2. Got it? So we determine root 2, but it is not on the number line because number line is not that. This is the number line. So we have to represent root 2 on the number line. How? For this we have to put the tip of the compass here or the rounder here, then tip of the pencil here and make an arc like this. Okay? So make an arc like this. Got it? Then we see the arc we have drawn. Okay, the arc we have drawn will cut the line segment at a point. তাহলে আমি দেখি जो चापटा हमें अंकन कले से चापटा कौन कला ना ये नंबर लाइन को को पॉइंट रे मीट कला गोटे पॉइंट रे मीट कला ओके एंड दैट पॉइंट इज नोन एज √2 okay so here we will derive or identify √2 on the number line. See, √2 is on the number line. Okay, in this way we can represent √2 on the number line. Understood? Then see, we have represent √2 on the number line. Now the task is to represent √3 on the number line. Okay, so how you can represent √3 on the number line? In the same procedure as we have done here. How? See, suppose as I got √2 is here, so erase all those things except the √2. ताले √2 पाई गले √2 को छाडी आ जहा थिला तो हमें कोन करले लीव हे गले तार पर कोन करबा हमें √3 आइडेंटिफाई करबा केमिति. For this we have to draw a right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle and this part is √2 and this part is 1, then this part is known as hypotenuse. Then we have to find the value of h. How? As we know, h is equal to p square plus b square root over. Okay, then p, this is p, this is b, so p square means 1 square, b square means √2 square. Okay, 1 square is 1 plus √2 square is how much? √2 square means √2 is multiplied twice. √2 square माने कोन √2 को हम केतना मल्टीप्लाई करिया 2 थर मल्टीप्लाई करिया देन कोन हबो ना होल रूट ओवर 2 into 2. For this 2 we will get 1 2. So what is the value of √2 square? The value of √2 square is 2. So √2 square is 2. Then under root, so square root of 1 plus 2 is 3. So get the value of h will be 3. So in place of h we can write √3. Okay, so what is the value of h? Is √3. So in this way we can get √3. How it is utilized in this number line? See, suppose as we know from this point to this point is known as √2. So this distance is known as √2. Okay, then at the point √2, √2 point let us make an arc, and again at that point we have to make an angle 90 degree. Okay, we have to make an angle 90 degree and produce upward. तब 90 degree draw कर दे कि कौन कले ऊपर को प्रोड्यूस कर देले. ठीक अछि. Then if it is √2 unit, we have to make the height or the producing part up to 1 unit. ताले कौन करिबा एठी गोटे कट मार्क ते दबा ता पॉइंट रे नेम दबा a and such that this distance is equal to the distance from 0 to 1. It has to be remembered. The distance from √2 to a is always equal to the distance from 0 to 1. If it is 1 unit, then it also be 1 unit. Why we are taking 1 unit? Because if it is √2 and it is 1 unit, the hypotenuse will be √3 unit. For that reason, we have to first take √2 and at √2 we have to make an angle 90 degree and producing upward, and at the upward part we have to mark a point A so that the distance from √2 to A is equal to the distance from 0 to 1. Understood? Then join these 2 points 0 and A. ताले कौन कर ले एबे 0 A को join कर दे. Let's see, this is also a right angle triangle and this is also a right angle triangle. So what is the difference between these two triangles? See, this is the base part and the base part length is √2. This is also the base part √2. This is the height part 1. This is the height part 1. This is the hypotenuse and so this is also the hypotenuse. If it is √3, then what is the value of this? This is also √3. So the distance from 0 to A is √3. So we got √3, but not on the number line because the number line is drawn here. So how can we draw √3 on the number line? Same procedure. Put the nib or tip of the compass here and pencil here. Okay. Then draw an arc like this. How? Put the compass here, put the pencil here. Okay. Then make an arc like this. See, the arc cut the number line at a point, and that point is known as √3. Okay. And that point is known as √3. In this way, we can represent root 3 on the number line. Done. Then suppose the question is given, find or represent root 4 on the number line. How? Then for this, we have to remove or erase all those things except root 3. Because for root 4, we need root 3. So erase all those things. So this is 1, this is 2, and middle part is root 3. Then suppose this is also a right angle triangle, and this is root 3. Okay, this is 1. Then what is the value of this part? This is known as h. So let's do h is equal to p square plus b square root over, this is p, this is b. Okay, p square means 1 square plus root 3 square root over. So 1 square is 1 plus root 3 square is how much? Root 3 square is how much? Root 3 square is root 3 into root 3. Okay, so whole root over of 3 into 3, because 2 3's are here. So for this 2 3 we will get only single 3. So what is the value of root 3 square? Root 3 square मूल्य केते आसिला 3 आसिला. ताले कोन लिख दे परिबा root 3 square is equal to 3 whole root. So हम कोन पाइले 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, this is root 4. Got it? Then what we will do? Again at the point root 3, we have to make a arc. Again make a 90 degree producing upward. Then in this producing part, ये जो ऊपर को part हमें उठाइले, ये part हमें उठे point दे दबा. The point नाम कौन दबा? A. And so that the distance from A to root 3 will be is equal to the distance from 0 to 1. If 0 to 1 distance is 1 unit, then distance from A to root 3 is also 1 unit. ता माने कौन? ना जल्दी 0 ରୁ 1 ଭିତରେ distance 1 unit ହେଇଥିବ ବା ଯେତେ ହେଇଥିବ root 3 ରୁ 1 ଭିତରେ distance ବି ସେତେ ହେଇଥିବ. ତାହେଲେ এটা କେତେ ହେଇଗଲା? 1 unit. ଏଉଟେ ଦେଇ କେତେ? root 3 unit. Okay, then let's join this 2 point 0 and A. Okay, join this 2 point. Then see, this is also right angle triangle, this is also right angle triangle. This part is base part which is equal to root 3, this part is base part which is equal to root 3, this part is height part 1 unit, this is also height part 1 unit. Okay, then this is the hypotenuse part, this is also the hypotenuse part. If this is root 4, then what will be the value of this? This is also root 4. बुझियाला? ताले ये distance टा केते हबो? hypotenuse टा root 4 हबो. Got it? So we get root 4. Then what we will do? Then we have to put the compass here, put the pencil here, and make an arc. How? This is the compass, this is the pencil. Okay, so make an arc like this. See, the point or the arc intersect the number line at a point, and this point is known as root 4. Okay, in this way we can represent root 4 on a number line. See one thing, that the root 4 cut the number line at the point 2. Why? Because square root of 4 is how much? Square root of 4 is how much? See, factorize it. We can write 2 into 2. So for this 2 you will get 2. As the value of square root or value of square root of 4 is equal to 2. That's why the square root of 4 will intercept the number line at the point 2. In this way we can represent root 4 on the number line. Okay, done. Then if the question is given, find or represent root 5 on the number line, for this what we will do? We have to remove all these things except root 4. Okay, see, then what we will do? Then we have to first make a triangle, right angle triangle. If this is root 4, this is 1, this will be how much? See, this is h. So h is equal to p square plus b square root over. Okay, so p square is 1 square, root 4 square, root over. Okay, 1 square is 1, root 4 square is 4. This will be root 5. So what is the value of h? The value of h is root 5. So see, this distance is equal to root 4. Why? Because the point is root 4. Then at the point 1 we have to make an arc and draw an angle 90 degree producing upward. In this awkward producing part, we have to mark an point that is 1 unit. Okay, but a point number A such that the distance from 0 to 1 is equal to the distance from 2 to A. Okay, ताले A to distance जहाँ ही थी वो गोटे यूनिट जो दी थी वो 2 रे distance भी गोटे यूनिट थी वो. Then join these 2 points. Then see, this is also a right angle triangle. This is the base part, which is root 4. Here also the base part is root 4. Here is the height, perpendicular height part, which is 1 unit. This is the perpendicular height part, this is 1 unit. And this is hypotenuse, that is root 5. So this will be also root 5. Okay. Then how to draw root 5 on the number line? Put the compass here, put the pencil here, then make an arc like this, and the arc cut the or intersect the number line at a point, and that point is known as root 5. Okay, clear? So in this way we can represent any number line on a, or represent any rational number on a number line. So this is all about the substitution class. You can follow the first procedure as I have discussed in the part number 6, or you can follow this procedure. Whatever is easy to you, it's up to you. Okay.